Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about tires. Recently I've purchased 4 sets of Yokohama Advan AD08r up to replace the Ventus RS4, which has already long lasted for a year. I think it's time to change the tire. So reason why I'm switching back to Advan AD08r, which is not something new, because if you're all aware, previously before I'm changing to the RS4, I was using the AD08r. It's simply because for track day, I think it's good to just use this AD08r. While for time attack event, which is the event that I'm going to take part next year, I already have a plan for a better secret weapon, which I'm going to show you later. Okay, now let's compare the two tires side by side. As you can see, the Ventus RS4, it has 2 main grooves, while for the AD08r, it has 3 main grooves, which means under the wet condition, the AD08r can perform much better, while for the Hankook Ventus RS4, it's much better in the driving conditions. There's one very important characteristic for the Ventus RS4 is even the tread wear has gone down to less than 30%. It will still give you the same almost consistent level of performance throughout the track day. So that's proven that my lap record actually has renewed even for this type of tire conditions. While for the AD08r, the performance will degrade after the tread wear has gone down to less than 30%. Another thing to take note is about the lap consistency as well. For the Ventus RS4, it really can last you throughout the entire track days. But for AD08r, you'll start feeling the tire is a little bit slippery after 10 plus laps or so. Okay, people will ask why not AD09, which is the latest or replacement of the AD08r. Well, of course, first thing first is the price, the affordability. So I managed to get these 4 new rubbers for the year 2022, and I believe it's the last batch of the AD08r. One very important thing we must know is that the AD08r, the tire tread is symmetrical, which means the both sides, inner and out, they are the same, while for AD09 is asymmetrical, which means the outer tread is different than the inner one, which means it will not allow you to actually switch side once you worn out your tire. As you can see here for the RS4, here is the inside of the tire and this is the outside of the tire. You'll see the tread worn is different. This is because our car, we have the camber setting, right? So the inner will actually worn more than the outer part. So asymmetric tire will not allow you to switch side, and which means you need to spend more money to get a new set of tire when it's worn out. Alright, so what's next? I'm going to install these 4 new tires and head for the next track day. I'll see you soon in Sepang. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please help to subscribe and share. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.